Okay, welcome back to Zoe and Papa's Learning. Today we're gonna make, what we're gonna make, Zoe?
Cheese sticks.
Cheese sticks, cheese straws is what the recipe said. We'll call them cheese sticks. And Zoe's already put in 1.5 cups of grated cheddar cheese. Hey, don't start with that, baby. Baby, don't start with that. Look, we got a spoon to start with, right? Where'd you put the spoon? In your apron. In your apron. Zoe got the apron and the cookbook for Christmas. All right, so she put the grated cheese in there. The next thing we're gonna put in is 3/4 cup of flour. You wanna put that in there?
Yeah. And I space it out so it doesn't cook crispy like they want it, but I'm gonna cook them really crispy, so that means I'll put a lot around, and yeah. See,
Okay, now the next thing we're gonna put in is 4 tablespoons of butter. Now Zoe, I'm gonna let you do the video on while I put the 4 tablespoons of butter in there, okay?
alright guys.
We're supposed to do this with a food processor, but we don't have a food processor because we have chopped up the butter and we're gonna put it in here so we can mix up this cheese stick stuff.
I'm helping.
Make sure you got the video on there so they can see. Learning to read a little bit with the recipe and learning to make some good stuff, learning to cook, some real life skills, using Zoe's Christmas presents.
And I'm starting to read, guys.
That's right. We haven't had a lot of time since I'm a teacher at the high school and I've been doing all this online, putting stuff online. So we haven't had a lot of time to...
But now my pop is gonna get the phone. Now my pop is gonna get the phone. I'm sorry, I just said that twice.
Okay. So Zoe, what I want you to do now is...
And I got some pepper.
Listen, we're supposed to put in some dried parsley. We don't have any of that, so we're gonna put in some Italian seasoning to kind of color it up a little bit and flavor it something. So she's gonna put in, sprinkle a little bit till I tell you quit. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. It's supposed to be half teaspoon of dried parsley. So we'll spice it up with this Italian seasoning. Just, there you go, up and down like that. Keep it a little bit more up and down, side to side. Up and down, up and down, up and down. There you go.
Sorry.
Make sure it's in the bowl. It's all right. Okay, that should be good. That should be good. All right, the next thing we needed was 3/4 cup, 1 tablespoon, it said, in the recipe of milk. So Zoe, can you hang on this real quick for me?
You want to see it? This is what it looks like right now.
1 tablespoon of milk.
But I'm fixing to dump that in.
1 tablespoon of milk. Okay, dump it in. There you go. All right, now that's all our ingredients, and so now I'll take it. Zoe, you stir it up real good.
Put it in the bowl first.
Okay, there's some. Stir it up. Now be careful not to splash it. Just stir it first to get that milk and that butter spread out in there really good. Kind of mix that flour and that cheese up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to flour this countertop so that we can roll it out here in a
And
minute
y'all will still see,
when
yeah.
the dough gets good. All right?
And y'all will still see, yeah. Because he'll be videoing me doing it.
That's right. We're still videoing it.
So, whoever doesn't know how to cook, just comment on my videos and I'll show you. But my papa will have to help you.
Tell them they can subscribe when they
Need help?
and comment below if they like to see
Comment
stuff.
below. Okay, wait. Subscribe. Okay.
Make sure you
Welcome
stir.
to Zoe's and Papa's YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to his channel, and subscribe to the dough. Subscribe to our dog,
Well, let's
buddy.
mix that up.
Yeah, my dog might get in the video.
Okay, you did real good there. Let's see here. Here, you take this thing while I mix it up my hand a little bit. Okay, I gotta flour my hands up real good.
Yeah.
And then we're going to mix that up really good. Like I said, we're supposed to do it with a food processor, but we don't have a food processor, so we may have to put a little more milk in there to get it more doughy.
See, guys, that's my Papa's hand. See, this is what it feels like.
All right, listen.
See, guys, that's what it is.
Okay, we're gonna put a little bit more milk in there.
Guys, if you touch dough, your hand turns into that.
Yeah, don't get that dough on my phone. Make sure you put the video ready.
Oh, damn.
You sure?
Well,
It's all right. Just keep it on there until we get this mixed up.
how can I do it?
Well, I got to get into a ball first, and then we got to roll it all out. Okay? It's gonna take a little bit. That's all right.
So now I'm gonna get my spoon out and help him.
No, I'm just doing it with my hand right now. It's okay. We'll get it all done. Don't put it in there where
I might have to
we'll
hang.
put a little more flour in there. Get that little bind a little better. A little more.
There you go.
And we'll get it out.
See, that's what he's doing right now. And this is what biscuits we made last yesterday out of this.
Now, what can I say?
Uh-huh.
I said, what can I say?
What was it showing?
Okay, that's good. Make a little ball here.
Okay, guys, I can take those.
Let me get this done and get it where they can see what it's going to look like when we get it out here on the table. Tuck them a little bit.
So yeah, and this is what it's gonna look like, and this is what it's been. Well, I got this for Christmas in my cookbook. Want to see it, guys? Yeah, I got this in my cookbook.
Mm-hmm.
It was sticking on the front. That's what I got, and now I'm gonna use it tonight. And this is what it looks like.
So you showing them what this looks like?
Oh, yes.
I'll pat it down.
And see,
a little bit.
this is for straightening, but the other side is for plating. Hey.
Hang on a second.
Okay, guys, you'll have to see.
Floured my hands, so it's still stuck to my hands a little bit. It up a little bit here. Are you gonna show them, or baby?
Well,
They want to see a video, baby. If you're gonna be the camera person, you gotta show them video, man. All right, hang on just a second. What I'm gonna let you do here in a second, we're gonna cut this thing up. All right, show them what it looks like while I wash my hands. Show them what it looks like. Tell them that's gonna be what we're gonna cut in strips now.
That's what I'm gonna cut. That's what I am going to cut in strips.
All right.
I said meat.
Okay, hang on. Let me get my hands off.
We're sorry about the dogs. Hey, I'll be right back. Can you entertain them?
Let Nana take care of that.
This is Buddy. That's Lucy. That's Sandy. That's Sissy. We have 4 dogs. So. Oh, she's coming. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Let me have it.
Here.
All right, Zoe, come over here. Come over here. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna be real careful. All right, you're gonna be real careful, and you're gonna take this knife and you're gonna cut. Now I want you to pull straight down like this, okay? All right, and then we're gonna separate. And we're gonna make a cheese stick like that, okay?
Okay.
All right, and just pick that up and put it over there in the pan for me. All right. Now be really careful. I don't want you to cut. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you. Listen until you get see. I want about that long or that wide. All right. Then cut this little piece off here. Now pick that up and put it in the thing. There you
Now
go.
I got it.
Okay. Do one. Listen. Start on the end. Start on the end up here.
Hey.
Put that right there. Now cut down. There you go. It's okay. It's all right. That's all right. All right. Take that one and stick it in there.
Can you eat that one?
You're doing good. Doesn't matter who it's it. Okay, let's cut another one. Cut another one. Sorry about the dogs. This is like start on the end over here and cut down that way. There you go. Pull straight down.
I didn't do that.
Whoa. Shut up, dogs. All right, Zoe. Here you go, baby. Take it and put it in the pan.
This is not.
That's all right. Okay, now take that one and put it in the pan. Go ahead and take that one and put it in the pan. We'll just make do with what we got, right? Take that little one and put it in the pan too. We'll take the leavings and we'll put them in. Here you go. Here, let me have a knife. All right, you take the ones I cut and put them in the pan because it's just coming apart. All right, there you go.
Oh, good. Yeah, that's good.
All right,
That's
take that
not-
one. Yeah, that one's a good one.
Oh,
Take,
hi.
take that one.
Okay. I'll take it.
Okay, put these in there. Put these in there. Come
Uh-huh.
in. Let's find a cookbook.
Whoever eats this one, I'm really sorry.
So we're gonna put this in there for 350 and
Oh,
says to cook for 12 to 15 minutes and let cool for 30 minutes. So when we get done, we'll take a picture and show you what they look like. But this is Zoe's little cooking with her new cookbook and her new apron.
there is
And-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of them.
All right, and that's what we're gonna have to go along with our supper, and it's gonna be cheese straws. So thank you very much, and we'll see you on the other
Do we
side.
need to make like cheese?
Tell them to comment and subscribe.
I already did that.
All right, okay. All right.
But
You wanna make cheese balls with what's left, and we'll try that?
Just cheese balls.
You wanna do that? Yeah, we'll see what happens. All right. All right. Tell them bye, and we'll see when we get it cooked.
bye.
All right.